Morning, David. Jeremy here at Lexus of Kelowna. Just shooting you that short, quick video on 2015 GS that we currently have in stock. I'll get started for you. Apologize, I'll try not to shake the camera too much, but I'll go around the outside of the vehicle and then I'll show you the interior and some of the options. I know condition was one of the things you wanted to take a look at, so we'll take a close look at some of the things that I did notice on the vehicle. Just coming around the front end of the vehicle, you can see it does have the parking sensors on the front bumper. There are a few little paint chips, very minor, something I can definitely fill. I don't know if you can see the one right there, and then I think there's another one over on this side. I can have my detail team touch those up, that's not a problem at all. Coming around to the passenger side, I know you had some questions about dents and dings in the doors. Try to get a body line here. I haven't come across any that I'm able to see visually. I've taken a pretty close look and I haven't been able to see any. Tires are in great shape. They are brand new tires actually. Lots of tread life, obviously, being a brand new tire. There is one wheel that does have a little bit of a curb rash, and I will show you that one, but all three other ones are clean, and that's something that I would be able to get repaired at our cost if it is something that you want done before taking delivery of the vehicle. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, see on the rear, as expected, just a few little things that I could probably polish out, but there are a few little marks on this rear lip. Very common, almost all used vehicles, there's going to be some marking there, but that's a power tailgate as well, and the backup camera is there. We'll take a look down the driver's side body line now, so you can see no dents or dings down the passenger side, or the driver's side. Again, this wheel's good. It's just this front driver's side wheel that just has the one rash on it. And it is just around the edges of this one, you can see the markings on this wheel. I'll show you the interior now. Just go into the rear seat. So being the executive package, it does have the full climate control and controls for the back. These are heated seats for the rear. You were asking about the sunscreens. It does have the sunscreens for the rear windows, so you can see I just pulled that up. It also has a mini one for the side window as well. So both windows are fully covered. And then on the rear, there's a power sunshade that comes up on the rear window. And that's for both passenger and both rear passengers for the vehicle. There also is a 12-volt outlet for the rear as well. Coming around to the front, again, I mentioned the number of controls for the driver's seat really is excessive. There's two lumbars, the bolsters can be tightened. There's a thigh extension for the front of the seat. Again, this is all set to memory. You have 3 memory positions for that seat. Blind spot monitoring, heated steering wheel, traction control, full heads-up display as well. Sorry, the steering wheel is not straightened. I'll just start the car real quick for you. I don't know if you'll be able to see the heads-up display in the windshield, but that is your heads-up display. It does have dynamic radar cruise control as well as pre-collision as well. Heated and cooled seats for the front, heated for the rear. Tri-zone climate control. You have the Mark Levinson audio as well. Full sunroof. You can see, I'll just come back out just so you can see the condition of the seats. Again, excellent condition all the way around. Passenger seat hardly looks like it was used. I know he was a single guy, but... And then I'll show you the rear sunshade as well. I just press the button and you can see the rear sunshade coming up as well for the rear. So what I'll do is I'll send this video off to you just so you can get a better idea of the vehicle. Again, it is a very clean car with just some minor stuff for a vehicle of its age to be expected. But please feel free to contact me if you have any further questions. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, David. Take care. Bye.